Hello, this is Gihan Perera. Are you using AI to enhance your customer experience? It's one of the most powerful uses of AI to examine every point, every touch point with your customer on their journey with you, and then determine how you can use AI to create a better experience at that touch point. For example, I'm running a workshop soon for a group of tourism operators in Western Australia, and we're talking about exactly this, using AI for their own productivity, but also for enhancing their customer experience. And as with any use of AI, there's a right way to do it and there's a wrong way to do it. There are plenty of ways to get it wrong. Let me share with you one example which came up in the news recently. You might have even seen it because it made it into mainstream media. This happened to an entertainment organiser in Glasgow in the United Kingdom. And in Glasgow, they set up this Willy Wonka's Chocolate Experience for kids and their families to come to and have a great experience. And they used AI to generate the advertising material for it because it's pretty good at generating images. And so there are these beautiful images describing what the kids would experience. Unfortunately, when they turned up, it was this almost empty warehouse which looked nothing like the advertising. And there were tears from the kids as well as presumably the parents, and families were furious. They even called the cops, and it shut down after the first day. And the last I heard, the organisers had promised to refund all of the ticket prices. So what went wrong here? There's nothing wrong with using AI to generate your marketing material, but it has to match the real experience. And in fact, it was even worse than that because some of the AI that was generated was terrible. It even had obvious glaring typos in it, which the organisers just obviously hadn't even looked at before including that in their glossy brochures and their online marketing. So the problem here, it wasn't a failure of AI. The problem was a failure of the process of humans working with AI. And I've always said this, you should use AI as an assistant, not an expert, and make sure that you've got human intelligence looking at and reviewing carefully whatever AI generates for you. So you can do the heavy lifting, but make sure you still use your human intelligence on top of that. And this applies at every step along the customer journey. AI is a really, really powerful tool for enhancing your customer experience as long as you use it as a tool and not as the ultimate expert. If you'd like to know more about this, download my worksheet, AI Meets CX. CX is customer experience, and you'll see there are 20 ways that you could possibly use AI to enhance your customer experience. But you'll see on the worksheet, when you do it with your team, you can identify the ways of doing it, but also look for the things that you need to be careful about, cautious about, and how you want to add your human intelligence on top of that. So download it, share it with your team, and use it to enhance your customer experience. I'll see you in the future.